In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make selections in Affinity. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to isolate a subject so you can change backgrounds, create composites, or simply focus attention where it matters, all without damaging your original image. First, press the W key on your keyboard. This activates the selection brush tool, which is designed to find edges and build a selection as you paint. You'll know it's active when your cursor turns into a circular brush, and as you paint, you see the familiar marching ants outline appear. Make sure the correct image layer is highlighted in the layers panel before you begin, so the selection applies to the right content. Next, trace the image you want to keep by painting over it with the selection brush. Start with broad strokes to cover the main area, then zoom in for detail work around edges like hair, hands, or intricate objects. If the brush feels too big or too small, use the bracket keys to quickly adjust its size, smaller for tight corners and edges, larger for open areas. If the tool grabs more than you intended, hold the Alt or Option key to subtract from the selection and paint it back to where it should be. Work slowly along the outline, staying slightly inside the edge so the tool can snap to the contrast between subject and background. It's normal to go back and forth a few times. Accuracy here pays off later. Take a moment to scan the entire selection before moving on, looking for missed gaps or halos along high contrast edges. With your selection active and looking clean, click the mask layer icon in the layers panel. It looks like a rectangle with a small circle inside. This instantly converts your selection into a bomb non-destructive mask. The selected area remains visible and everything outside it becomes hidden. The best part is that masks are fully editable. If you notice a rough edge or a missed spot, click on the mask thumbnail to make sure it's selected, then use a soft round brush on the mask itself. Paint with black to hide more, or white to reveal areas you want to bring back. Keep your brush opacity so for subtle refinements and build up gradually for smooth, natural transitions. That's all there is to it. Press W, trace the image with care, and finish by clicking the mask layer icon. Save your work, and you've got a clean, flexible selection you can refine anytime.